Our team believes in excellence and quality delivery, adopting newer technology for paving the way for true success for individual aspiring growth and success. The most important thing about CSLD is that here our whatever training and internships that we provide are completely industry based, and they are focusing on the industry requirements in today's date, so that all the students and applicants who are applying to us, they get the exposure to the industry, and they become ready to work directly into the corporate industry after the training. So that's the message from our founder, Mr. Sitanath Biswas. He's been the core of our organization, and all the hard work that we do comes from all the motivation that he provides to this company. So, what's essential for all millennials, regardless of their career, mastering the art of learning and having fun with it, right? So, not only just having a proper understanding of a particular training or particular technology is important, but also to have fun with it, so that whenever you work with it in that technology in the coming future, that becomes helpful for you, right? So, CSCLE as a brand, what does this mean? As a brand, CSCLE started its journey by providing internship trainings, right? We provided world-class training in various technologies such as app development, web dev, AI and ML, and various others. With that, we started to organize workshops and webinars. Now, recently we had two international webinars. It took place at two international webinars where took place from where speakers from different parts of the country had participated. The workshops and webinars are free, and the workshop they are also paid, and they are organized by CSL in different domains, right? We also have a development sector where we provide effective AI and web solutions to our clients, and yeah. So the outcomes of training in CSCLD. Once you have a training in CSCLD, you will have end-to-end updates and development of dynamic websites. Opportunities will be given to expose yourself in real-life projects. Once you are done with the training, you will be getting an internship or you can work opportunity in different companies, and also you'll get some projects to work with to have a basic experience of the real-time projects, right? So these are some affiliation and accreditation we have from different companies around the world. Like you can see, W3 Schools, AWS, Microsoft, Google Cloud, Internshala, Startup India, Central Blockchain Council of America. We all have affiliation with all those big companies. These are some of our clients to whom we have provided our effective solutions in AI and web. Yes. So this is our team of achievers. So our approach is completely learning based on projects. We focus mostly on projects, and whatever learning technology and whatever domain we are providing training. Our major aim is to equip the students with a proper project so that they have a complete applicative understanding of the particular training. Right, from day one, you will be enlightened with the real based projects, and our teaching focuses on 20% of theory based and others of project based. Right. uh, our top courses are web development, app development, digital marketing, and Python. We have already had around 4 to 5 batches of web development till now, and we are also trying to have new batches of Python with Odoo framework, and different other batches with along with web dev, another batch of web dev. So we are providing trainings in a various domains, and we are trying to implement it as much as possible. Every month we are trying to start as many batches as possible. Our team is working very hard to provide you with the effective content and effective trainings as per the requirement of the industry, right? So we provide you outstanding study materials and course structure. Yes, so keep factors of success: motivation, curiosity, and reflection, which is all been provided in CECLE to you. The major thing about CSCLD is that we provide you live classes. All the classes that takes place in CSCLD are live, and the students are allowed to interact with the instructors and clear all their doubts. Now, there must be a situation in different cases that there are very good courses, but the students usually have doubts. Initially, if you're a beginner in a particular tech domain, then you would eventually have some doubts, and with the help of live classes, the student gets the opportunity to contact the instructor in a live platform and just clear the doubts right at that self, right? Also, there is a live capstone project, means you will be developing a project from scratch that is completely live, right? So you will have understanding of every basic elements of the projects and structure of the project, right? So that is what CECL is providing you. We follow the 5 stages of learning, that is theory, real life scenario, pros and cons, implementation and application, right? So for more details, you can confirm and you can just move to our website, that is ccele.co.in, and register yourself a free counseling session with us, so that you can come and talk to our counselors and have your understanding about the trainings and internships that we provide, right? So with that, I would like to conclude this presentation of mine, and let's move forward in today's topic, that is a boot camp on startup innovation and challenges. So throughout this process, we will have various speakers, and today we'll started off with Mr. Dr. S.K. Mohan Rao. He is the he's a ex-principal of Gift College in Bhubaneswar. He has been part of the industry since around 20 years, and he's also part of the industry academia since 20 years. He has been providing technological and AI solutions since a very long time, and he's one of the most inspiring individuals of our country right now, right? So I would like to request Mr. Dr. SK Mohan Rao to come and take this session forward.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody, and good morning, all the participants, organizers, and eminent co-speakers. First of all, I thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to share my experiences on startup. So many of the gift participants know me well. So introducing myself, I am Dr. S. Krishna Mohan Rao. Worked in industry for 19 years, both in India and abroad. Did my PhD, turned as academician, and worked for 19 years as teacher, researcher, education administrator. During my tenure as the principal, Gandhi Institute for Technology, GIFT, we have started MSME Incubation Center and MHRD Innovation Cell. So some of our students have already put their might in the startup, and in that process, three groups of our students have completed the startup. You must be knowing, one is Pets Lelo, that is one which is very successfully it was done like that. Another one is the book retail store, that is also gone. Another 5 people it was going on. Today I wanted to share those experience with you all. So here, if Rotarian Jayasri of Lumious Infosys is there, I request her to join with me. Is she there? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Whether Jayasri
Hello. Yes, sir. Jayashree
Jayasri,
ma'am is not joined yet, sir. Hello.
yeah,
Jayashree ma'am has not joined yet, sir.
okay. So it will take
Sir. Yes,
time.
sir. I think so, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So basically, the objective of this one-day boot camp on, let me share the screen also.
Yes, sir.
The objective of this one-day boot camp on startup innovation and challenges is to make you aware what are the important steps involved in startup life cycle, a sort of guide for all the participants to carry the startup journey, how it will be, and challenges involving on the way. Of course, you should not expect that immediately after the boot camp you will know everything and ready for go. Nevertheless, after this completion of this boot camp, it is expected that you will be more informed on the startup and more wise. So for the next few sessions, we are going to elaborate on the following startup areas. One, myself will be discussing on overview of startup. My other co-speakers, Sri Rajesh Panda from Singapore, will deal with the critical part of the startup, the ideation, where good ideas comes from. Rotarian Jayasri Mahanti, Chairman, Luminous Infoways, will speak on customer development, who are they and what they want. Sri Samir Panda, joined from Netherlands, will discuss how to build the startup team after India's lunchtime. Sri Saswat Panda meet us from Malaysia. He will be speaking on important point, funding. Sri Bhupesh Deka will elaborate legal issues, particularly IPR involved in the startup. So this is how the total webinar uh, is summarized. And then suppose if we take the history of our startup in India, so we can say that in India, pre-independence, post-independence, when there is a liberalization thing has come. So after the independence, if people have started, we wanted to develop the country, and but government has given main focus on the heavy industries like power sectors, steel industry, Rourkela steel plant, Bhilai steel plant, National Thermal Power Corporation, BHEL, Coal India, NALCO. These are the things the government has given a more stress on that, so that we will be developing very quickly. But once the liberalization, that the privatization has started, then the startup concept has come. Many private people have entered into the startup sector. Then in 2008, the recession has started, and that is the time this Paytm or Flipkart or these things have come and they have very successfully done. But all these things have started with a small way. For example, Flipkart started with the IIT with few students who wanted to just borrow the books among themselves. That same thing has started multiplied now, and it became a Flipkart now. Now the at present the startup is in India is started, and there is around 2,000 registrations are going on every year. 1,000 registrations, startup registrations are going on every day. Now we have got a lot of opportunities for the startup. So in the sense that you know that present China episode, that China is going against us, and there are many apps. It is we that India is banned, and also world also it is in the process of banning. Here we have got an opportunity to step into that, and we can develop our own startups on that, particularly in the areas of the hardware, where the motherboards, switches, sensors, these are all the things, among other things, these apps also. So here at this moment, we have got a very, very golden opportunity is there for us, and we should utilize, everybody should utilize. And this boot camp is telling us what are the steps are there for all the students or young entrepreneurs, and then how we have to go about that. For example, if we take the startup life cycle, it starts with some problem with the idea, and for every problem we will be having ideas also. But many among the many ideas, there should be only viable solutions are there, and we have to see what is that viable solution, and then we have to test that. Once we thought that it is a viable for the solution, then we have to test that viable solution, because whatever the solution we are thinking of a problem may be a solution for us, but it may not be a solution for the customers, or it might, for that matter, it may not be a solution for the market. So here we have to do, before we think this is the viable solution, to move forward, before that we have to do a market research with our solution scientifically, and we have to get that feedback from the market, whether this our viable solution what we are thinking is to going to work or not. So once we will be sending that solution into the market, then we will be getting a feedback from them, taking that feedback. So we have to taking that feedback, we have to uh, again refine our idea, again we have to refine our solution, and then again we will be moving ahead. Then the idea, how to hunt for a startup idea. See, these ideas are many ideas will be coming. You must be also in gift many things you must have witnessed, because it was conducted a lot of in a week we have conducted uh, some topic was given and asked students, faculty to give their ideas on that, how to solve the problems like that. So we have to hunt for that startup ideas. Whether that idea is, if we get that idea is how it will be coming. We should see from our daily life whether there is any problems, daily problems, whatever problems we are facing in the daily routine life. We have to list down that problem, and for each problem we have to list down what is the solution for this problem. So once we get the solution, then we said what is the correct solution for this. This we have to validate this idea, we have solution for that. Then this idea we can go for that. Once we say this is the problem and this is the probably the correct solution, then we can immediately this idea and we can go it for a patent or copyright, because somebody may also copy for this. So immediately we have to make that, sir, this is the problem and for that we are giving the solution, and this patent has to be published on my name or my company name, whatever it is, we have to do. So this is the one first step of the startup, we have to do that. The second step is, once we have done the problem and we have also have a viable solution, then we have to go to the board, drawing board, and do the planning. What is the planning? We have to make a business plan. So we have to make a business plan. Business plan means it is not that easy. It is the core, very important aspect of here. One of the more important or the critical stages is the business plan. Business plan is a written document that includes all the necessary aspects of a business goals. What are the goals of that? After starting my startup, what is my goal for that? Then what is the business strategies are there? The time frame of the goal, because the goal may be there, but if you don't have a time frame for that, after 3 months I will do this milestone, after 6 months I will do this, after 2 years or after 1 year, this is my goal of starting the startup. So we have to define that the goals also. Details about profit and loss. Immediately first year, second year, we may not be getting the profits and all, but we have to say in the first year we will be this much minus, second year it will be break even, third year we will be having that thing. That planning should be thoroughly on the at this stage. This is called the business plan, and where the money comes from them. It is a planning stage where we are thinking of we have to get the money. Then how to market our product, in what way we have to do. Should we go with the digital marketing, or should we go through the TVs and media? Should we go for the print? And these are all the clearly on the drawing board. We have to do that in this planning stage. This is the third stage we have to do. Normally this business plan, once it is over, so it takes that, what is the legal structure. Legal structure means how many people will be there. There is a chairman, there is a co-founder, there is a this thing, and the type of the business, whether it is a hardware, whether it is a software, whether it is agriculture product, means of business, location where we have to put, and something like that. And how to operate this business also we have to do. And the next is the analysis of the market is very, very important. The one which we assume market may not be taking for that. So first we should be very, very clear that once our product, when whatever we are giving it, whether it is required for the market. For that we have to do some marketing analysis, and in the planning stage itself we have to do this. And what the product we are going to, what is the type of the product, and what is the services. If it is some app or some services we have to do, those things also we have to clearly tell about that. Then who are the competitors for that, for the similar this thing, and who is the management team is there, how the financial plan, how the money is coming, and how we are spending that money. This is also for next 3 years how we have to do. Then their future goals and projections, and how after 5 years, after 6 years, how it will be there. At this moment in the planning stage itself, we have to do everything on paper as if it is going to be, this is a document, based on that our startup is going to do that. These are the areas I was telling you, that history, idea, people, legalities, funding, branding. These are all the things today we are going to share on that in the session. And all the session, idea session is taking care by Samir Panda. And Rajesh Panda will be taking on the ideation. Jayasree Madam will be taking on the customer development, and like that, people are taking it because I have already done that. That's why. Then we have got a brief history on the startup in India, how the startups are started in India before independence, after independence, and what are the opportunities are there. So when it comes to the life cycle, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the normal life cycle of a startup. So we will be having a stage of, in the first stage will be the, you have to identify the problem and convert it into an idea, and there will be many ideas will be there, and we have to see for the most viable idea, most viable solution that we can do only with the help of the market research. So after our idea or solution will go to the market and we will get the feedback, and yes, from based on the feedback we have to see, yes, whatever I am thinking of my idea and the solution is acceptable to the market. For that we have to scientifically do the marketing research for that. So that is one stage we have to do that, and after that we have to go to the planning stage. Here this is the planning stage. Once I have got this, this is the idea I have got, and this is the solution for that. So for this, if it is accepted that, then we have to do the planning stage. So in the planning stage, what we have to do, that we have to make a business plan. So that whole business plan is having a many things are there, everything we have to put on the paper, that whole business plan, your finance, your resources, your organization structure, how the money is coming, how the money is going, and all those things we have to do the in the business plan. So once that is over, then you have to name your startup. Naming the startup is also very, very important. Suppose if the name is not in synchronizing with your product, then customers will get they will get confused for that. So when you are doing that, for example, if Paytm is there, how beautifully they have named their Paytm, and the rhythm also how they said Paytm karo, that is catching for them. Like ATM, they said Paytm. So the name itself will be very, very important, and when you are doing your startup you have to do at the planning stage itself what is the name of your startup. Once you name that, then you have to register the startup company. So there are many ways that legal these things will be told by Bhupesh. So how to do the register the company, whether it is a sole proprietorship, whether it is a private limited company, and all these things we have to register that with the government. Then once we have registered whatever idea and the solution you are having, so that you have to apply for a patent. So intellectual property right, if it is not done, suppose if you are starting your company and afterwards, if somebody will copy this and they will do more than you can't do anything. Suppose if you say that this is my intelligence, this is I have patented for that, then people will not allow them to copy your idea or your industry. So this is at the planning stage. You have to do very, very carefully. We have to do the our patent also. We have to do that. Uh, then comes the mm, next stage is the prototype. Once you have done the your planning, you have to do the a prototype model of your product. Suppose your product is say you have to start one car working on a air, not petrol. It is on air. So suppose, and you have got some ideas also how it is doing that. So you have to do a smaller version of that car, which is already working all the basic functions. It has to be started, there will be, it has to move, there should be a gears and all these things. A workable small, we can call it as a toy model, but everything has to be worked like that. So that prototype we have to make it. In the case of the our software development, suppose if we are doing any software, if we are developing it, this prototype we have to immediately we have to do that. This is the my interface, this is my front end, and this is the database, and this is the backend, and how the things are coming, and how the inputs are coming, how the inputs are going, how the reports are coming. So these are all the small prototype you have to make, and this will be the very useful for convincing others. There are many. This is called a minimum viable product. This product you have to first make it, so that people will be convinced what you are telling, or whatever we are telling. So far nobody will care for us. Many people will be talking, and we don't do like that. Once we do this MVP, minimum viable product, then here itself we will be knowing, when we are developing this minimum viable product, what are all the problems are coming for that. And suppose if we say it is impossible for us to proceed further, then we can stop it, so that it is time waste, time and resources, everything thing will be saved here. And also, if you have done a prototype very nicely, you can take it to the fundraisers, angel fund. There are many funding people are there, agencies are there, that we will be coming to that, and you can show them this is my prototype. Then people will be, definitely they will be convincing you, and they will be taking into a, they will take you very seriously for that. So once you do that funding, the next one is the prototype, the next one is the funding. So regarding this funding, this thing, another one. This Aswat Panda, my co-speaker, will tell, but still I will be a uh, very, very basically I will be telling it. So this funding will be, if you have got friends and family, before your seed funding is there, because up to the prototype, if you have got money with you and with your friends and family, better you do it on your own. You take from them, and you will be putting it. Bootstrapping is the one which you yourself, your savings are there. From there you have to put that money. If tomorrow if we are failing ourselves, and we are not taking from somebody's money and doing it. Suppose then we have to go to the next level. It is the incubators. Incubators are the people government is given. There are many incubator centers are there. Even GIFT was also having an incubator center. So there we have got government incubation centers are there, research organizations are there, educational institutions are there, incubators are there. So these are the people, they will allow, they will teach. If you take a idea with them, further thing they will teach and train you how to do that. So these, and in that process, these incubators also will be investing some money there. Then there is a angel investors are there. Angel investors are there means, if somebody likes your idea, so they don't expect a returns on that, but they will be putting a fund for that. For very famous is Amitabh Bachchan. He will be just sitting on the blog, and he will see if anybody is giving. Just he will invest 2 crores on that, 50 lakhs on that, and he is very successful in those things. So angel investors are somebody who normally invest in your ideas. Then the venture capitalists are there. These venture capitalists are very big people. So the ones they come and see your idea, and if they are convinced that this is going to be a very big thing, immediately they will put a lot of problems are there, and one day they will take your companies also. So these are the venture. Many people are there like that, venture capitalists. Then crowdfunding is, if it is many people will be, if your idea is good, many people will join investing on you. There is no problem. Bank loans are there, government grants are there, defense people will be giving, then Ministry of Mines will be giving, and all those things. Then there is a Startup India programs are there. These are all the where the money will be coming, will be dealt by our co-speaker Saswat Panda, and he will be elaborate in detail in the next session. But the funding is a one important thing that that is in our startup life cycle. Once we have got a funding, the next one is the building the team. Building the team is now up to now you and very few people are on your own. Maximum your friends and all these people will be working on that, and we have that. Once the funding will be coming, then we have to make a product we have to make. For that we need the people. For the people, so you are the founder, so you have to search for another co-founder also, because one man cannot do anything successfully. So we have to have a co-founder also along with you. But that co-founder should be very carefully you have to choose. He should not be, suppose if he is a computer man and the founder is a very good in developing and all these things. If the co-founder is also his friend and he is also very good in developing, it won't work that way, because a startup will be having a different type of the functions are there. Maybe you may be developing you are a very good code developer, but the thing is you do not know how to take care of registration, how to take care of marketing, how to take care of the finances and all, and how to talk with the other people. These are all the very big problems. So whatever the core strength you are having, you should find another man, your co-founder, who is having a skills and strengths, and not you are also you are having. If your core strength is development, and let him also as having some other skill set, so that both together, if you are coming together, and that the startup will be a successful one. But there is a lot of problems will be there in finding the co-founders, and you should see he should be an honesty fellow, and you should have a trust, and you should believe in the startup. And or otherwise it is a very, even Facebook Zuckerberg will be having a problem with the co-founder. People say that co-founder has started it, that connecting us, and this Zuckerberg has taken the total Facebook. There is a lot of court cases have gone. Ultimately he has been paid 67 millions, and afterwards he has gone. So but that man co-founder should be you should fit into your ideas and your district, so that the co-founder and yourself will be move together. And next comes the team. So there will be a technical team will be there. There will be a finance team will be there. There will be a marketing people will be there. So there are, so you should know what roles who has to do that. So once you define that roles and all these things, then you make a team, a startup team. You have to build that, and that team will be working for that. Once this team is done, now you have to go to the then you have to go for the incubation. Incubation is the thing where your actual product will work. Actual product, whether if it is a software, you have to, whether if it is a software, you have to, that whole software development you have to do. Whether if it is a motherboard or some sensor or something like that, that is also, it will be done in the incubation. Basically the incubation will be having all the facilities. Suppose the welding arrangement, workshop arrangement, computers are there, softwares for developing this thing, Windows platforms, and all these things that incubation center will be having. So you have to take care, and there is a people also there. They will teach you at each stage what you have to do, how you have to develop your idea to the product, and they will train also. So based upon that, in the incubation itself, you have to do your product. So that product, once in the incubation center, when the product is done that, then the next stage comes. So now it is incubation center where the actual product is developed. There are many government, NGO and educational institutions are offering incubation facilities. They will teach and train you also how to develop your product. Then next comes, so now you have done your product. But that product, first immediately you have to send that product to the only known customers. Known customers. If it is a software, we call it as a beta version. So we have to give the software to the known people, ask them to use for few months, few weeks, few months, and then give them back their feedback, whether it is working or not working. If it is working, if it is giving trouble, where the things are giving the trouble. Suppose if it is a software, if we are keying in some fields, if we say it is only a alphabets, if we are putting the numbers, it will not accept, and there is some range will be there, more than 1000 it should not accept. Purposefully we have to put -1000, see how the software is behaving. So while they are working, these things will come and they will feed you up. They will give you a feedback. No, no, no. At this moment, this is not working. This is working, like that. So taking that whole feedback and everything from them, again you refine your product and make a final product. Now your final product is ready. Whatever your dreams is there, startup is there, that final product is ready. But that the next challenging is how to market this product. This how to market this product is a challenge. So here, so once you have got a product, then you have to build the brand. So suppose whatever the product you have to do, there should be a branding should be there. If the branding is good and it will go into the market, nothing like that. Today Amul baby, still people will be 3 generations will be is knowing about the Amul baby, Butterly Amul. So that is the brand it has come. So even suppose if it is a Pepsi, so immediately we know that if it is a Pepsi means there is a black color cool drink is there, like that it will come into our mind. So we have to see how for our product, for our startup, the branding should be done. These are all professional things, and it has to be handled by the professional people only. We cannot handle on this thing, but we can tell, I wanted this way. My product is this one, and that philosophy of my product has to put it into the brand. What color we have to use, what typography we have to use, and all those things will be the branding is very important before you are putting your product before you are putting your product into the marketing. Then you have to design a logo for your startup organization, because the moment if you see, suppose if Airtel is there, A like that, so if you see from the distance, A means immediately you will say it is Airtel and uh, it is a telecommunication company. Like Idea, I they will be putting an inverted I, like that it is. So you have to design a logo, and that logo should be more attractive, and it should tell about your product or your startup, your philosophy. So at this moment you have to do that logo also. Then you have to building your own website. So when you are building your own website, this is a website is very important. Some it is an interaction between you and the customers. So the website, if it is a clumsy, seeing the website, they don't go, they don't buy the product. But there are certain websites are very easy, friendly. Immediately they will be navigating in the website, and they will be ordering the products also. So while you are doing the website, building the website, you should be very careful when the designing the website, how you have to host the website, and with whom you are hosting, whether it is a dedicated server or is it a shared website. These are all some of the issues are there. So taking that into consideration, you have to do the website building. Then the comes to the building the office, because already product is started and marketing it is going into the market. So if the customer wanted to talk to you, you should have some building or some office. You have to move from the incubation room. So you have to construct your own office, or you share with somebody, or if your finances allows, you make your own office. When you are making your own office, it should be more attractive, and people should have a confidence on your product seeing your office. Once these are all the things comes to the launching, that is the last this thing here, either hit out or get out. So launching, before launching, we have to do, we have to give a lot of hype. So something is coming in the market in a big way, like that we have to do the create a lot of hype. We have to do the, and along with that you have to say, if you take my, if you take my freebies, if you take my product, so there is a Netflix subscription will be free for 2 years. Or if you take my product, you can go to the some particular movie tickets are free, or IMAX theaters are free. These freebies and entertainment should come when you are going to launch this thing. Then you have to be continuously press with the TV and the press, all these people with yeah, with social networking. When you are doing the launching, you have to make use of all these things, and then you have to launch. So once you are launching it, and there will be you have to see the sales distribution network. Your product has to reach throughout the maybe country or city or state or somewhere it is. So you, how it has to be distributed, how it has to be sales should be done, how it has to be service should be done. So these are all the things we have to take care of these. So once this market goes, then what if the startup will be working for some time, when you are doing the startup and when your product is going, and if your product is also acceptable to the market, then the comes with the thing will be you have to consolidate, because normally our research shows that recently that New York based research company reveals that 29% startup in India which fail because they run out of cash. 18% startups fail because of the cost issue. Cost issue is your product cost is more than what customer wanted. Another 8% are not able to attract the interest of the investors. So because of that, after 4 or 5 years, all the startups are just going in the negative direction. So here, once you are consolidating, again, you should be very careful what you have to do. So when you wanted to cut off your costs, your product cost, if you wanted to reduce, then you have to scale up your business. That means more products, more number of products you have to make it. More number means your cost will come down. But if you want to do the more number of the products, again, when to scale up, when to scale down is a market decides. So you have to be closely with the market dynamics. You should be following it, and then you have to do well. When you are not to scale up, and then you have to be marketing strategies. You should be highly aggressive with the customers through emails, social media. You should have your own bloggings and your own sales team you should have. For example, AquaGuard is there. Once they sell it, afterwards the AquaGuard people, just you give me them one telephone, my water purifier is not coming. Immediately after 1 hour, they will come and they will decide it. They will do almost free of cost. That is what the things. So you have to handle the sales very distinct, and the product also should not be outdated. It has to be continuously. You have to product development. You have to do the developing your product, even if it is a Microsoft also, even Windows also. Every time they will be going on adding some more features, some more features, so that the product will be more viable and the development also will be good. Side by side, it is time you have to put some for the product, some research and development also. You have to put R&D things, so that your product will be very distinct. So what I am telling you, see, a startup means it is not only the idea and the solution, and along with that there is a lot many things are there. So we have to do all these areas. We should understand. Yes, this is area I should not miss. This is the market research area. I should not miss this website area. I should not miss this finance area. I should. So everything you should be wise enough, right from legalities, registration, IPR, and everything should be there. And this is the things that we should have that. Once after this, for each whatever I am telling you, for each session, there will be more elaboration will be there. For example, if it is a digital marketing, how phishing has to be done, how leads have to be generated, how we have to reach to the customer, that itself is a very big things are there. So these things in the further sessions people will be taking it. But the thing is, a startup is really a good one, and we need not, fortunately we need not put money on from our own, because you have seen Ola never have a single car they own, but they are doing lot of business. Oyo hotels, no hotel they are having, they are doing the business. So you need not in your product also you need not bother about the funds. But the thing is, your product and your idea should be good and it should go to the market and customer has to accept it. Then you will be very successful. But see that these things will be taken care. So almost it is 11 o'clock. Still, I said any time is a good time to start a company. This is what when I was in NITI Bombay, somebody has told me that anybody can start today itself. You can start. Same quotation I am putting it here. So any time is a good time. So after this is over, take some more time to understand all these nitty-gritties of all the areas and then start a company. So if any questions are there, you can ask me. Hello?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah,
My name is Astos Mom.
yeah,
Sir, I have a question that
yeah,
as you are describing the procedures of
uh,
key procedures to starting a startup company.
yeah.
But my question is, as I'm studying in a web development in CSCLD, so
Okay,
if I want to start a startup company,
yeah.
then how CSCLD gonna help me?
Actually, this company you will be knowing that it is more of a core business is the training, and then there is a software business. Software is also there. Software development is also there. So recently, this CSELD. So it is also started a only a startup vertical. So this startup vertical is for whoever wanted to do a startup. So we will be having a startup assistant centers. So it is totally on pan India basis. It is there, and even we have got a one overseas branch is also is there. For example, CACLD East India in Guwahati, our director Bhupesh Dekha hometown, and he is taking care of the total East India startup. If anybody comes from the East India, because they are in East India, they are giving a lot of funds are giving. Government is giving funds for East India. So that Bhupesh Dekha and BKN Satpathy is doing like that. Western India is also there. Niladri, it is in Pune. Niladri Roy and Sushanda, because Pune is a more automotive, very famous for automotive and all these things. And there a lot of startups are expected there. In South India, when Dr. Chaitanya is there, and he is from IIT, and he is having a very good entrepreneur skills. And Swati Rao, these both will be taking care of those things. In North India, Vivek Sharma and these people will be Chandigarh, they based, they will be doing it. And we are also having one overseas branch in Virginia, because Silicon Valley is the mother of all startups. So for the startup assistance, many people will be starting for that assistance. This overseas branch is catering to that. And if anybody wanted any, suppose if any startup is wanted to do that, they need not initially they need not pay anything. They can come and proceed for the consultancy, and this CSELD will sit with them and guide with them. Look, this is the way the ideas has to be generated. Hackathons have to be conducted. The weeks have to be done like that. Right from the ideas and all these things. And if it is a even if it is a consultancy area, how to pitching the ideas also CSELD will do. In the legal matters also, if a patent has to be applied, how it has to be applied, that CSELD will assist the startup people. And legal, even starting the how a company has to be incorporated, those things, municipal permission, those things will be legal matters. This is also CSELD will give. Even where are the funding people are there, whom we have to approach, whether government or private, or angel venture capitalist. These things also we will be, that CSELD will be assisting to the people who are startup entrepreneurs, incubation facilities. And this is the consultation also will be giving. We can do the branding, how with your product, what is the best branding will be there, how the website should be developed, when you are launching it, how the press media, everything has to be handled. Digital marketing, of course, it itself is a very big thing. Social media, but there are different tools are there in the Google search, yeah, Facebook, these things. So you have to make use of those tools. How we have to make use of those tools so that your product will be penetrating. Then how to recruit the correct people, how to train the people, that is also there. And in addition to that, only startup training. Okay, CSELD is giving computer training, advanced computer training, but startup related trainings like how to freeze. You have got many ideas are there. What is a viable idea? And in what way this scientifically we can do that. So that is also CSELD will do. It is a separate startup vertical. Then a business plan. A business plan, making a business plan is a very tricky thing, very good, very important thing also, because this, unless you don't have a business plan, no banker will allow you, nobody will allow you, even office will not allow you, incubation center will not allow you. So that business plan is a something like a heart for the startup. So how to do that business plan? So these are the things normally those people will not do, but CSELT will give a training how to do that, and the recruiting training also, digital marketing, technical training also. So CSELT is having a separate vertical, independent vertical is there, and for the startup people, it is having a to Z solutions are there with them. So CSELT that way, if a new startup people are there, so if they go and approach the CSELT, definitely they will sit with you, and they will do that. So that way the CSELT is now in the very big way it has come up, and it is backed by the very experienced people. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any questions? If, if nothing is there, then thank you. We'll meet again. Then I'll hand over to the next session.
Thank you, Krishna Mohan sir.
Yeah, thank you very
Your
much.
enlightening words has really, guided all of us into a new direction. I hope all the participants will get more zeal and energy to take forward, to upskill themselves,
Yeah,
to think
one
as a
example,
further.
Bhupesh, let
Yeah,
me 1 minute. I share one example. Our gift startup Pets Lelo has started. I wanted to share that. See,
right, sir.
there was one student was there, and we wanted to send some students. We wanted to send to the IIT for this virtual labs, for getting training in the virtual lab. But one student is very good, and he is also having a leadership qualities, and he can having a lot of friends, they will believe him. And if that man goes to the Rourkela, everybody will go, but he is telling that I cannot go. Then other friends have told, sorry, he is not coming, that's why we are not coming. Then I called him, I asked him, why you are not going? First initially he was not telling, then afterwards he said, sir, I have got a problem. I said, what is the problem? Sir, I have my father, mother, both are working, and we have got a one pet dog is there. So in our family, we three can never leave our house. So because of that dog. So because of the dog only, I am not able to go to the that Rourkela, IIT Rourkela. Then I said, for 1 week ke liye, you give it to your neighbors, whoever is having dog, you just request. Sir, how many times we will request them? It is not good. It is getting embarrassing like that. Then when we are talking, sir, you put it in the Facebook if anybody interested to take for 10 days, like that. So while that discussion will be going on like that, then he said, sir, instead of Facebook, let us put it to the people who are actually having a pet, so that those people will be doing it. Then the problem started with the how to, when we are not in the house, who will be taking care of the pets. The problem started like this. Then afterwards, then it has become a startup thing. And when he has collected all the Bhubaneswar, then I said, why don't you make it as an app? Then he said he collected the app also. Then he said if anybody wanted to go, there will be some group has formed. So tomorrow I am going next 1 week. Anybody takes my dog. Then they said some people are very passionate. Okay, you take it and we will be taking care of that. Then once that thing is solved, then it led to a very good startup problem solution has come. And afterwards, why only this thing? If I wanted a varieties of pets, what I have to do? These are the varieties of pets. Then who are the veterinary doctors available for that? So everything it has put it into a one place, and it has been developed like this. I'm telling you, it is a small problem, but it has given a lot of solution for everybody. And afterwards, he said not only Bhubaneswar, we will go to the Cuttack. So the moment he went to the Cuttack for expansion and all these things, by the time somebody has seen that it is a very good idea, they have given him enough money and taken that whole idea. So that's what I'm telling you. So that is really exciting thing has happened. I was also feeling a very good student has done like that. So like that, you should also have a daily. You should see for the daily life problems are there and how the solution should come. This is what I wanted to share with you. Yeah, yeah,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
yeah.
Uh, so anybody has any questions and all? Hello,
Yeah. So I wish
Dhruv, are you
everybody
there?
the best.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
If anybody is all the best, I wish everybody all the best. If anything is from my side, any help is needed, definitely we will be doing further. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.